Hi friends, today we will learn cursive letters E, S, R. Okay, I will show the formation. Start from the third line, touch the second line. Start from the third line, draw a slanting line, touch the second line, move back, make a curve, letter E. Draw a slanting line, touch the second line, move back, make a curve, letter E. Okay. Next letter S. Draw a slanting line, touch the second line. Draw a slanting line, touch the second line, move back, make a loop, small loop. Slanting line, make a loop, make a curve. Draw a slanting line, make a loop, draw a curve, make a tail. Letter S. Then letter R. Draw a slanting line, draw a slanting line, touch the second line, make a loop. Draw a slanting line, touch the second line, make a loop. Draw a slanting line, touch the second line, make a loop. Come down, touch the third line. Draw a slanting line, make a loop. Come down, touch the third line, make a tail, letter R. Okay, thank you.